When you invest in window film, the product matters, but so does the installation. That's where the ClimatePro technician team really stands apart. Our technicians are well-trained and experienced with homes and buildings all across the San Francisco Bay Area. No matter the type of business or home, they know how to treat every project with precision and care. They arrive on time, protect your space, work cleanly, and are efficient. No matter the type of film, from exterior to interior, large commercial jobs to small residential upgrades, our team handles it all with the same attention to detail. That's why homeowners and businesses trust ClimatePro, because not only do we have the best window film, but we've got the best installation team.